If you're standing on the threshold of owning your dream home, there's one crucial step that you shouldn't skip before you cross that finish line. Today, we are uncovering one of the most essential yet often overlooked parts of the home buying process, and that is, drumroll please, the final walkthrough. Imagine moving into your new place only to discover that the beautiful chandelier that you loved is missing, the cozy fireplace that you loved doesn't work, or the state-of-the-art appliances that you were promised were nowhere to be found. Sounds like a nightmare, right? That's why today we are tackling an incredibly important yet often overlooked step in the home buying process, the final walkthrough. Whether you're about to close on your first home or adding another property to your portfolio, you won't want to miss how this crucial step can prevent major surprises and ensure that your new home checks all the boxes. Ready to find out more? Let's get into it. Uncovering the essential real estate tips for buying a house and the final walkthrough. Imagine you're about to close on a house. The excitement is palpable, and there is one last checkpoint, the final walkthrough. Many home buyers pass on this critical point, but you shouldn't, and let's find out why. The final walkthrough before closing is the home buyer's ultimate opportunity to inspect the property before it officially becomes their own. It's not just a formality, it's your last line of defense against unexpected surprises. But what exactly should you be looking for, and why is it so crucial? Keep watching to find out. Did you know that there are 4 critical reasons why you should do a final walkthrough before closing the deal? I know you may be thinking, I've seen the house, I love it, let's just move forward. But hold on to that thought, because what I'm about to share with you could save you from headaches, heartaches, and yes, even some unforeseen expenses down the line. Completing your final walkthrough before handing over the funds and closing the final deal helps you solidify 4 essential components. Let's look at them more closely and uncover exactly what types of things you should be looking for during your final walkthrough. Number 1, a final walkthrough will help you uncover last-minute surprises. First up, surprises. Now, who doesn't love a good surprise? Well, when it comes to real estate, pretty much everyone. The final walkthrough is your detective moment, a chance to uncover any issues that have popped up since your last visit. We're talking leaks, damages, or even changes made by the seller that weren't part of the deal. It's like a final inspection to ensure everything is in tip-top shape, or at least in the shape you agreed to buy it in. Number 2, verify repairs have been completed. Remember those repairs the seller agreed to after your initial home inspection? The final walkthrough is your moment to verify that all the fixes have been made, and not just with a lick of paint. We mean properly done repairs that meet your standards and the wording within your agreement of purchase and sale. This is crucial because once you close, those repairs become your responsibility, and you want to avoid any unnecessary repair bills from day 1. Tip number 3, you want to confirm the condition of the home. Homes don't just sit idle between your last visit and the closing date. Life happens. Storms can cause damage, movers can scuff walls, or systems that were working fine could suddenly fail. The final walkthrough is your last chance to ensure the home is in the expected condition, confirming that the property's condition hasn't changed since your offer was accepted. And number 4, you also want to ensure that all included items are present. Sellers might sometimes forget what was agreed to be left behind, or maybe in the chaos of moving, items that were supposed to stay get taken by mistake. That beautiful chandelier, the custom-built shelves, even the appliances. The final walkthrough lets you confirm that all the items included in the sale are present and accounted for, exactly as agreed upon in your contract. Skipping the final walkthrough is like skipping the final rehearsal before a big performance. Sure, you might have practiced a lot, but you wouldn't want to catch any last-minute issues before the final curtain goes up. The final walkthrough is your opportunity to do just that, ensuring your new home is exactly as you expect and exactly as laid out in your agreement before you take the final bow and close the deal. Hey, if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos that are packed with tips, tricks, and everything you need to navigate the real estate market with confidence. Got questions? Reach out. You'll find our contact information in the show notes below, and we're here to help. Thank you so much for watching, and remember, a successful home buying experience is all about being informed, prepared, and proactive. So embrace the final walkthrough with the seriousness it deserves and step into your new home with peace of mind and joy. Until next time, I'm Evelyn Lopes, signing off.